very good morning and welcome to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. As you know, I've been missing on the channel for a long time. Yes, it's only because I'm really caught up with work. As you know that Goa is actually getting back to its earlier stages where it's welcoming all tourism to Goa. Today I'm on this beautiful ride that is done in every state by Royal Enfield. It's called One Ride. So I'm doing the One Ride 2021. Yes, it is a themed ride where they actually have a theme called Leave Every Place Better. So it's like we are ride together to do our every little bit to leave every place better. So that is the ride, and I'm so excited that I'm doing this ride with Royal Enfield Garage Cafe in Goa for the first time. This is my first time associating with a ride in Goa, official ride in Goa with Ari. So stay tuned and let's see what's in store for us. Saddling up and getting ready for this ride has always been very nice to get back to on Laila. And of course this One Ride happens all across every state in India. It is managed by Royal Enfield, and this is the first time I was associated with the One Ride, honestly. So yes, I was all excited to see how it's going to be planned in Goa. Of course, heading towards the Garage Cafe to go ahead and experience this One Ride with Royal Enfield in Goa for the first time, associating myself with Royal Enfield as a brand. So I've reached the Garage Cafe finally. I'm here at 8:05 and on time. So I finally made it to the Garage Cafe. You can see the board right there behind. It says One Ride. It is powered by Sahas. It's an NGO that is partnered with them this time. So we're going to visit the NGO as well. And that is basically the theme that you can see right there. So while we wait for all the riders to come in, let's show you Garage Cafe. I'll put a link on the left side for you to see a proper vlog on this Garage Cafe that I have on my channel as well. And these are the few bikes that you can see right here. This is a modified 650 and that's Laila's sister. That's a 650 as well. This was in IBW. This is part of IBW in 2019. This is the old Interceptor. That was a twin engine way back then in 1963. And the GT, the Cafe Racer that they call it. So the first stage of the ride is basically filling up the form. I have Anthony and Kenneth over here with me, and we're actually going ahead and filling this form up. Of course, there's going to be some guidelines that Royal Enfield wants us to follow. Let's go ahead and see what it is and go ahead and fill that up. So we were all ready to go ahead for a ride, and we were served some hot, amazing tea that actually got us all out from our sleepy heads, and now we were about to attend the briefing.
So basically we are riding from Garage Cafe. We are taking the highway. Taking Tivim Road, from there Pirna. From Pirna we are hitting Hamtane Dam. And from there we will take the highway route again. Then Shiolim. From Shiolim, Anjuna, we are coming back here. Okay, so we got to maintain safe distance between like bikes. It's a ride basically, not a race. So a race we can do sometime later. Okay, so gear up now.
And after that, we'll have a small event here with refreshments also. So please don't leave. It's
very hungry to leave.
Getting back to formation riding was another feeling altogether, because of course this ride had approximately 30 to 40 odd riders riding on all together, and for me it was a very good experience, because I miss riding with the Rumble brothers a lot, as we are the biggest interceptor group in Mumbai and Pune. So I've reached Nana's house. So we've taken our first stop. You can see the bikes lined up right there. So we have entered Thibim village. We are going from here, we're going towards Sholem to an NGO and stuff. I don't know the exact route, because of course it's a one ride arranged by Royal Enfield, but you can see this is a beautiful place that they have brought us to. It is very close to my Nana's house. You've seen it on the vlogs as well. This goes to a dam very close to, there's a dam. I think he's going to take us to that dam as well. And Blaze is actually riding as pilot, and he's guiding the group to the places. So you can see the bikes right there. Finally we are here at the second location, and that's Amthani Dam. It's very close to the Thibim village again. So we crossed the village and we are come to the Amthani Dam. I would like you to see the view right now, okay, because it's a bright sunny day. We thought we would get some rains, but this is how it looks. I'm sorry for my shabby look because it's of the helmet, but otherwise check out the view. On our way back to Garage Cafe in Baga, we spotted this bus which had children, and they were so amazed to see so many bikers. So that's the reason I was actually waving out to them while I was riding. because they were trying to wave out to all the riders that were passing by the bus, and I really enjoyed that view. Of course they did as well. The ride ended over here, back again at the Garage Cafe. So we did a small ride where we went to that dam, we went to Sholim, we passed by Sholim, so there was nothing much in Sholim. Yes, there is the NGO that has come right here, but I had to rush back to work. So they are more no plastic kind of an NGO where they do recycling of major things. Well, I have to rush back to work, so see you on the next ride. See you on the channel once again sometime soon. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe, like, share. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying peace out, ride safe.